வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 ஜியோகிரஃபி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோரிங் காண்டினென்ட்ஸ் நார்த் அமெரிக்கா அண்ட் சவுத் அமெரிக்கா. அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். த டேஷ் செப்பரேட்ஸ் நார்த் அமெரிக்கா ஃப்ரம் ஏஷியா. ஆப்ஷன் ஏ பியரிங் ஸ்ட்ரைட் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Second one, dash is known as the sugar bowl of the world. Option D, Cuba is the correct answer. Dash are the longest rivers in North America. Option A, the Mississippi and Missouri rivers is the correct answer. Dash is the longest mountain chain in the world. Option A, the Andes is the correct answer. Dash Basin gets rainfall every day because of its equatorial location. Option C, the Amazon is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. The Death Valley is 86 meters below the sea level, is the lowest part of the continent of North America. Dash is one of the world's best fishing ground, Grand Bank. The highest peak in the Andes is Dash on the Chile, Argentina border, Mount Cancangu. Dash of the equatorial regions are called the lungs of the world, the selvas. Dash is also known as the coffee part of the world, Brazil. Give reasons. The eastern coast of North America, particularly USA, enjoy mild climate. The south and east is usually warm all the year round, and the region around the mouth of the Mississippi, Missouri and Gulf of Coast have summer in from the northeast traders. United States of America is known as melting pot. United States of America is known as melting pot, where hundreds of different cultures meet, blend and create a new culture. The climate of the continent of South America has been closely influenced by the latitudes, altitudes, and the proximity of the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. It is hot in the Amazon basin as the equator passes through its, whereas Quito, situated almost of the same latitude in the Andes, has external spring. That is, it has the pleasant climate throughout the year because the high altitude of 9,350 meter above the sea level. Peru is one of the world's longest producer of tropical fish. Here the cool humid current helps in the bring plankton, which is the main food for fishes. Commercial deep sea fishing of Peru's coastal belt of over 3,000 km. Peruvian waters normally abound with swordfish, mackerel, yellowfin, pambono and shark. More than 50 species are caught commercially. There are 40 fishing ports of the Peruvian coast. Next one, Rocky Mountains and Appalachian Mountain. The western part of the North America is occupied by long ranges of Youngfold Mountains. Eastern part of North America is formed of old foot Appalachian, where not continuous like Rockies, width varies from 110 to 480. Few peaks more than 1,800 high. The Rocky Mountains are west of the Mississippi River. Appalachian Mountains are east of the river. The temperature grassland of North America is known as prairies. The temperature grassland of South America is known as pampas. Region, cultural USA and central Canada. Region, the north of eastern part of Argentina, Uruguay and southernmost Brazil. Winter is very cold, summer is hot and rainfall is moderate. Summer is quite warm and winter is cold and moderate rainfall. Grasses, short grasses. Region, tundra, northern coast of Canada and northern islands. The coniferous forests are found in the Alaska and Canada. central Alaska and northeastern Canada. Winter is long and severely cold. Summer is short and cool. Rainfall is scanty. Winter is very cold. Summer is warm and short, heavy snowfall in winter. Moses, lynchers, and dwarf willows. Pine, fir, cedar, and spruce. Arctic fox, reindeer, beaverbox fox. Match the following: Mount McKinley, 6,194 meter, Grand Canyon, Colorado River, Ebony Equatorial Region, 4 o'clock rains, tropical forest, Hia, the flightless bird. Put tick for the correct option. Assassin cotton grows well in southern and western states of North America. Reason: warm summer with frequent rainfall and fertile soil which provides favorable condition. Option A, both assassin and reason is correct. Assassin: industries in the South America has developed rapidly. Reason: the continent lacks infrastructure, especially transport need for industrialization. The option C, assertion is wrong and reason is correct, is the correct answer. Next one, answer the following. Name the boundaries in North America. North America is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the west, Atlantic Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north, and South America in the south. North America is joined with South America by the Isthmus of Panama. The Bering Strait separates North America from Asia. Write a note on McKenzie River. The McKenzie River is the second largest drainage basin of North America. It has its source from Great Slave Lake and drains into Arctic Ocean. What type of fruits are cultivated in North America? Mainly citrus fruits are cultivated in Texas, California, Great Lakes regions and St. Lawrence Valley. The important fruits of North America are cranberries, blueberries, Concord grapes, strawberries, gooseberries and the other fruits. Give a short note on the lifestyle of Eskimos. Eskimos live in the very cold and inhospitable region where plenty of fish varieties are available. They were able to dress themselves in thick warm cloths made up of fur. They live in igloos. Their lives were very simple and they could not alter the environment to any extent. They specially designed a house by ice and is known as igloos. Which are the densely populated areas of North America? Densely populated areas: eastern part of North America, Great Lakes region, Florida, California, Mexico and Central America are the most densely populated areas. Name the physiographic divisions of South America. On the basis of topographical features, the continent may be divided into the following physiographic divisions: Andes Mountains, River Basin or Central Plains, Eastern Highlands. What is called the 4 o'clock rainfall? In equatorial region, conventional rain occurs almost daily in the afternoons. It generally occurs at 4 p.m. That's why it is known as 4 o'clock rain. Name the flora and fauna of the equatorial forest in South America. Flora: rubber, mahogany, ebony, log, wood, Brazil nuts and sebia. Fauna: anaconda, armadillo, piranha, monkey, snake, crocodile and parrots. What is known as estancias? The breeds raised on the large pastoral lands is known as estancias. They are divided into several pedagogues. Besides this, there are small yard known as the corrals where animals are sorted and branded. The owner is the estancia who was the number of gaguchos. Name the major exports of South America. South America major exports are mostly primary commodities such as sugar, coffee, cocoa, tobacco, beef, corn, wheat, petroleum, natural gas, linseed, cotton, iron ore, tin and copper. South America products include mostly exported to North America and Europe. Give an account on the climate of North America. The vast latitudinal extent from the tropics of the polar region makes the climate of North America as varied as that of Asia. Unlike the Himalayas, Rockies run north to south, which do not form climatic barrier and do not prevent the icy winds from the Arctic region and penetrating the central plains, which therefore have a very long cold winter and very short summer. Precipitation occurs due to cyclonic storms. As one proceeds southwards, the short summers become warm, but the winters are very cold. The central plains have extreme climate from freezing condition in winter to the tropical heat in summer. South is usually warm all the year round, and the regions around the mouth of the Mississippi, Missouri, and Gulf Coast have summer rain from the northeast traders, which blow on shore on the summer. The warm moist southwesterlies not along bring rainfall to the northwest coast and also keep it warm. The warm Alaskan current keeps the northwest coast ice free. The state of California in USA has the Mediterranean climate with moist winter and dry summers. Industries which require heavy and bulky raw materials using enormous amounts of power, involvement of huge investment and large transport costs are called heavy industries. These industries depend heavily on the iron and steel industry. The most important heavy industries are automobile industry, aircraft industry, shipbuilding industries, railway wagon industry and farm equipment industries. USA is the largest producer of automobiles. The important centers of heavy engineering industries are Detroit, Chicago, Buffalo, Indianapolis, Los Angeles, St. Louis, Philadelphia, New York, Baltimore, and Atlanta in USA and Windsor in Canada. Owing the position of the Andes, all great rivers of the continent drain into Atlantic. The Pacific streams are short and swift, but along the coastlines of Peru, their waters are used for irrigation to some extent by hydroelectric power. Amazon is the longest river of South America and is the largest river system in the world. This river has over the thousands of tributaries. The rivers Rio Negro, Mandiria, and Tapajos are important tributaries. At the point where it enters the sea, the river is so wide and powerful that it flows even at the distance of 80 km into the high seas. The Veronica River originates in the Juyuna Highlands and flows northwards into the Caribbean Sea. The river Paraguay or the Parana and Uruguay rivers as the main tributaries, which together form and known as the Plate River System. All the rivers are navigable for quite some distance in the interior. South Africa contains the world's most mixed population. Many peoples in South America are descended from European, especially the Spanish and Portuguese, who began to arrive during the 15th century. The descendants of African slaves brought over by the Europeans. The native people still live in the mountain and the rainforest and keeping their own languages and traditions. There are the three major races found in the South America and are American, Indian, European and blacks. The current population of South America is 429,115,060. That means 42.25 crores. The population density of South America is 21% per square kilometer. South America is positioned 5th rank in the total population among the continents. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் உங்களுக்கு நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசன் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.